Let the other person save face. Principle 5, nothing lowers a man's dignity more than an affront to his pride. When we argue with someone, even when they are clearly incorrect, be fair and let them keep their face. Consider this the next time you find yourself blaming, threatening, or condemning someone in front of others. True comprehension of the other person's mindset might help to lessen the sting. When delivering a choice or information that can produce negative sentiments, consider how you might first make the recipient feel good about themselves. Avoid giving bad remarks in front of others or creating an awkward scenario for the receiver. Consider, how would I like to hear this news if I were them? And create your setting and approach appropriately. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 4, Be a Leader. Subscribe, like, follow for more.